Hi all, welcome back. This is our fourth video in our flow series. So if you have not watched the previous videos, I have provided the videos link in the description. Okay. So we have created a screen flow already to get the employee details and create the employee record. Now I'm going to tell you how to provide the access for these flows to your end users, where we can add these flows. First, you need to activate it. So I have activated. First, I will show you. So this is our record page, right? So any of the object, any of the employees or project. So these are all the custom object. You can add it in the standard object as well. So here, I'm going to add the screen flow as one of the component, so that from the record page itself, the users can access the screen and they can enter the details and they can create a new employee. This is one of the option. First, I will show you and I will go to the other options. Okay. So here, this is our flow employee screen flow video 3. This is the flow I'm going to add it. Click setup, edit page. So this is the lightning record page. So here, the left hand side, you can see all the available components. You can search for flow and you can drag and drop the flow component here. So it will show all the available flows, screen flows in your org. So we can choose the flow. This is our flow. So I'm choosing this flow. So for this flow component, if you want to set any component visibility also, you can do it. This is not only for the flow. For any component, if you want to add any conditions, you can do it. For example, here, this is expense reimbursement. Here we have a status filter. So only if the status is approved, then only our employee creation flow should be appear. Otherwise, it should not display. So in that case, so here, click on the add filter, the record field, just choose the status equal to approved. So this is the condition I am providing for this component. So if the condition is met, this flow, screen flow will be displayed. Otherwise, it will not be displayed. Click on the save. If you are modifying this lightning page for the first time, it will ask you to activate it. Click on activate. And here choose app default and assign to your current app. Employee management. This is my current application. Save. Go back. So if I go to the expense reimbursement, you can see the screen flow we have created is visible in the record page. So here I can enter the details. One date of birth. We have already added the validation rules and all. Click on next. You can see the final screen. If you click close, it will display the screen flow again. But if you go to the employees, you can see the record is created. Employee record is created. Okay. So here we have added the condition, right? If the expense reimbursement status is approved, then only it will display. So if it changes status from approved to someone else, it will not display. This is the component visibility. Okay. See, the flow is not visible now. Only the activity component is visible. If we change it to approved again, the flow will be displayed. So this is one of the option. This is how you can add your screen flows into the record page so that your users can use it. The second option is you can create any one of the quick action. Quick action means, so this is the quick actions. So whenever the user click on the button, the flow will open. Okay, so I will go to the expense reimbursement object and then I will create a quick action. Click on edit object. So here, go to buttons, links and actions. Click new action. So here choose flow. Here choose your flow. Employee screen flow video 3. Label employee. This is the label. This is the name will be displayed in the button and the quick action button. Click save. So once you created this action, you should add it to the page layout as well. Go to the page layout. Go to the mobile and lightning actions. Now here, just click on the override. So here you can see the create employee action is not added. So you can just drag it and add it here in the first place. Okay, save it. So if you go to the expense reimbursement now, if you open any record, you can see the action. So this is the action we have created. So when you click this, it will display the screen flow. So your user can enter the details and when they click next, the record will be created. So this is another option. There is one more option you can provide a link. You can take the direct URL of this flow and you can send it to the user using the emails or any other options. So go to the flows. This is our flow. So here, click view details and versions. So here you can see this is our flow URL. So first to copy your organization URL. Or organization URL means with the domain name, we can copy till force.com. So after that, we need to append our flow URL. So this is our flow URL. Copy that. Just paste it. So here we have 2 slashes remote. So this is the direct URL for our flow. So you can copy this URL and if I click, if I paste on the browser, it will take me to the screen flow directly. See, the screen is open. So you can use this URL. You can use any email templates. In the email templates, we can provide this URL and you can send this link to the users as well. So whenever they click the URL, the page will open. They can directly access this screen flow as well. So these are all the different options of distributing our screen flows to the users. Thank you.